Hey everyone, this is a video for this case study. Now, if you are following this playlist and this case study, you'll know that in April of 2019, I started a brand new website with the goal of monetizing it with Google AdSense. And so it was the beginning of April, and now we are closing in on the end of October. So almost 7 months. And what you see on the screen right now is a screenshot from my analytics account for this website, which shows, let's see, in the last 30 days, we had almost 6,000 page views. Is that good? I don't really know. It's like you compare that to what other people are doing. Maybe compared to some, this is really awful, but compared to some of the other websites that I have started and quit on, I would say it's pretty all right. And just showing over time that month on month that the site is growing. And if you want to know more about the site and what I've done with it, just go back and watch the older videos. Now, why are we making this video today? Well, one, I just wanted to capture a picture of where the traffic is and then talk about trying to build that traffic. Now, I do not mess with links at all, right? I just really just ignore links. So the 5,800 page views right here is pretty much without any link building whatsoever. And maybe this number would be better if I had done some link building. Maybe not. I just am really scared of messing with the Google, right? The Google algorithm, doing something that would be considered black hat or something that would hurt me later on. But I do find though that fear and like that uncertainty, I feel like it's holding me back a bit because I think there is good link building out there and I just don't know that much about it. And so, I think that experience is helpful and useful to have, even if it's negative, right? Failures in this business are good because it means that you have experience that you can build from. And right now I have no experience and so nothing to build from. So here's what I did, and you might laugh, you might not. In the past several months, had asked around a little bit about where people would go if they were going to buy guest posts or buy links. I know that I could do outreach and talk to other webmasters to create the content and whatever. I just don't have time right now or the interest, honestly. I'm not that interested. And plus, I just wanted to see what it was like to work with some of these groups and whether or not, spending some money or investing some money in links and how that would play out, because I don't know, and this is a case study, and what do you do on a case study but try things out? So I received recommendations for the Hoth.com, and also from Done For You links, and I may try them both. And the hard part about this, right, is that you buy the link and then they put it on the page, and then it's so hard to measure the outcome directly from this link. So I just have to sort of look at it holistically. Like, was there any impact whatsoever? Or heck, I don't know. I don't even know how I'm going to measure this. I have no idea if I'm going to be able to even tell if this was a good use of my money. But anyway, we're going to find out. So to summarize what I did today is I spent $100 at the Hoth from my PayPal account, and I bought their cheapest, lowest link that they have. And so it was a domain authority of 10 that cost $100. And the post, the guest post that they're going to do is all of 500 words. And maybe it will help, maybe it will hurt, maybe I won't notice a difference at all. Who knows? We're going to find out, right? And I will do an update video in the future when I know more about how this plays out. So anyway, this is just a sort of a vlog about what I've done, and we'll see how this plays out. Thanks. We'll see you in the next one.